Welcome
Okay.
to Love
Ang
Life.
tako na tong buy one take two ba? Buy one take two na sabi. Ang hirap buksan, sandali lang. Ang gustutin na ibabaw. Careful, baka magupit yung packaging. Nabigat siya, 3 kilos ito. Nakakahon pala. Okay. Yun. Oops. Unboxing. Ito na ko. Bella Clean with Fabcon. One. Ito. And three. Favorite mo to, lavender. Lavender scent. Mabango. Laundry detergent with Fabcon na hindi mo kailangan lagyan ng fabric conditioner. Alright. Magbubukas na ako ng isa dahil kailangan na. Oops. Ay! Teka lang. Kailangan ilagay ko dito. Yan, ang aming cute na timba. Okay. May particles, may blue particles. Kita ba? Lagyan natin ng liwanag. Ayan. So, okay. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. God bless. And don't forget, I love you, God's beautiful creation. Available ito sa aking TikTok shop. Shoutout sa aking mga super love stars. God bless you all. And shoutout muna pala sa aking 6K plus subscribers. Maraming salamat. And have a good day. God bless. And don't forget, God loves you. Your God is beautiful creation. Don't forget to pray it works. And stay hydrated. Stay hydrated. Stay healthy. Again, God bless. One more.
So that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is Love Lines. Have a good day and God bless.